Here is how you can become a millionaire for just $75 per month. No, this isn't a hoax or a fake video or a video about how you'd like YOLO'd into Bitcoin or Tesla, but by doing just this one thing, you can almost guarantee that you will have 1 million in your bank by the time you hit retirement, or even let you retire 10 or 20 years earlier if you plan properly. Hi, my name is Pete Matheson and I help busy entrepreneurs find the best tech, be productive and stay safe online. And some money stuff sometimes. Haven't quite figured that bit out yet. What you need to do is take your $75 per month and invest it in the S&P 500, which on average has returned 13.6% for the last 10 years. Now, the reason why just $75 per month will make you a millionaire is because of a fascinating thing called the compounding interest calculator. And I can't get enough of this thing. Let's make some assumptions of you who are watching this video right now. On average, most people watching my videos are between 25 to 34 years old. So let's just say you're 29 years old. You're probably also male. So that means here in the UK, you retire at 66 years or sooner if you become a millionaire, obviously. But we'll get into that in a moment. So at 29 years old, you have 37 years until you hit this like traditional retirement age. Now for 37 years, if you started with absolutely nothing right now and invested just $75 or pounds, whatever it is, per month into the S&P 500 and it continues its average return of 13.6%, you will be absolutely blessed with over 1 million when you turn 66. And with that 1 million, you'll be able to take a salary of like 100,000 per year and still have 1 million in the bank because of, again, compounding interest. This is something that most like lottery millionaires should do because we've all heard the stories of those who have won 1 million, blown it all, and then gone back to working in like Tesco. They should have lived off the interest. So, step 1, save $75 per month. Step 2, open an account with Trading 212 or eToro. If you sign up using the links down below, then I think you get like a free share on Trading 212, and I'm not sure with eToro, but hopefully there's something good for you there too. Now, you will have to prove that you are who you are, as it's basically like opening another bank account, so, well, yeah. Step 3, deposit your $75 per month into the S&P 500. Now, on Trading 212, it's this one, and you can set this up as a recurring deposit and investment in Trading 212 if you want to like keep things easy. But like me, I like to do it manually as my income fluctuates depending on how many people click on that subscribe button. And then step 4 is just be consistent. It won't look like much at first and it will feel like you're making like no progress at all, especially if the market then dips. James, who's hopefully watching this, who invested for 5 minutes just before the stock market dipped, got scared, took all his money out. Now, the best thing you can do here is be consistent and invest monthly, because with big dips come, well, big recoveries. Did you know that when a big dip occurs and the whole stock market takes a dive, they normally see a massive recovery the following next few days? And you don't want to miss that, otherwise you will then literally pull your money out after making a loss, and then everything else around you just suddenly got more expensive. And we've all been there, and I'm sitting on a fairly significant loss after misjudging one of my own investments, but it is more than made up by all the other investments. Now, what's incredible is that the younger you are, the less it costs you. If you're watching this and you are 18, it will cost you $17 or £17 per month to be a millionaire. That is just insane. I mean, this isn't financial advice, but me. I wish someone had told me about this when I was 18. If you're a little bit older, then it's still possible, but it just costs you a little bit more. So I would say to have a play around with the compound interest calculator, and I'll leave a link down below for that. If you have made it to the end, then thank you. Next, you should go and watch this video about how you can manage your money to help you pay for holidays without slapping on credit cards. Even if you have kids, even if you are facing huge credit card debt, it is really a game changer when it comes to managing your personal finances. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you found this useful. That would be really, really appreciated. And leave a comment below for what you're hoping to have saved for your retirement. So yeah, see ya.